welcome dear viewers. This is ERi-TV with me, Bersa, bringing you the latest news from around the world. And these are the ones making the top stories for today. Call to enhance workers' participation and productivity in Gashbarka region. International Workers' Day observed in the southern region. Iran says that foreign forces undermine security of Persian Gulf. And at least 22 people killed in restaurant fire in northeast China. And your domestic reports. At an event organized at Gashbarka region level to mark International Workers' Day, a call was made for workers to strengthen their participation and productivity. The event was organized on 27 April at Shemshomia, Lalai Gash, under the theme Productivity Through Conscious Participation. Mr. Abdus Saleh, head of the National Confederation of Eritrean Workers branch, stated that the purpose of the observance was to honor workers who are demonstrating the value of work and to remember those who sacrificed their lives for their country's sovereignty. He added that the Confederation is working diligently with partners to enhance the productivity and participation of workers. Ms. Elena Felice, head of the Tohombia National Confederation of Eritrean Workers Training Center, stated that as part of efforts to improve the overall capacity and living conditions of workers, vocational training has been provided to 225 women in Tohombia semi-urban center. She also noted that many others have benefited from a soft loan program. Noting that May Day is a time when workers renew their commitment to national development programs, the regional administration expressed its readiness to play its part in enhancing workers' roles in development efforts. Popular campaigns in connection with International Workers' Day were also conducted in various parts of the Gashbarka region. In other news, International Workers' Day was commemorated in Mandafera on 29 April at the southern region level. The event featured a parade by government employees and included various programs highlighting the contribution of workers. Mr. Takhasta Mehratab, head of the National Confederation of Eritrean Workers in the region, stated that International Workers' Day is an occasion to remember and honor Eritrean workers who sacrificed their lives for their country. He urged workers to keep pace with rapidly evolving technology and to invest in skills and education. He further expressed the Confederation's commitment to work with the government and the PFDJ to promote the advancement of workers. Mr. Habt Abtasfatian, governor of the region, also expressed hope that the National Workers' Confederation would intensify its efforts to enhance workers' capacities and ensure their active contribution to national development. During the event, representatives from the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare, the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, and the National Union of Eritrean Women delivered messages of solidarity. Coming back to Barentu, the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare branch in the Diga subzone conducted a seminar focused on protecting children's rights and eliminating harmful practices, particularly female genital mutilation and underage marriages, which negatively impact the psychological and physical well-being of women and children. The seminar was attended by local administrators, village elders, and development partners. Participants received detailed briefings on the importance of upholding laws that safeguard the rights of children and women. Discussions also addressed the psychological and health consequences of underage marriage and female genital mutilation. Mr. Mariam Taghle, head of the ministry's branch in the subzone, stated that the seminar aimed to raise public awareness and dispel misconceptions about these harmful practices. Mr. Humed Ella, administrator of the subzone, affirmed the administration's readiness to support efforts to eradicate female genital mutilation and underage marriage, both of which cause psychological and physical harm to women. He emphasized the need for continuous awareness-raising campaigns to intensify the fight against such practices. Participants called for regular seminars to further enhance public understanding and encourage greater community involvement in eliminating harmful traditions. The viewers will be back shortly with your international reports and more. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The presence of foreign naval forces in the Persian Gulf undermines regional security and hampers Iran's effort to safeguard this strategically vital region, said the commander of the Iran's IRGC Navy. Speaking today on the eve of Persian Gulf National Day, the commander emphasized that the region's strategic and economic importance is compromised by the movement of foreign warships, particularly in the Strait of Hormuz, where disruptions could affect the global economy. The commander argued that foreign powers pursue two immoral objectives in the Persian Gulf. First, to establish an unauthorized foothold in the region, and second, to sell weapons to regional states. The general further stressed that a country like Iran, which boasts the longest coastline, the greatest number of islands, and the deepest waterways in the Persian Gulf, must naturally prioritize the region's security. On today's final report, Chinese authorities said that at least 22 people have been killed and 3 others injured in a fire at a restaurant in China's northern east city of Liaoyuan, about 580 kilometers northeast of the capital, Beijing. Authorities do not provide details on what caused the blaze, which broke out shortly after noon local time yesterday. The country has seen a spate of such deadly incidents in recent months. On April 9, at least 20 people died in a fire at a nursing home in northern China's Hebei province. After yesterday's incident, China's President Xi Jinping called for every effort to treat the injured, properly handle the aftermath for the deceased, and provide support to their families, swiftly determine the cause of the fire, and pursue accountability in accordance with the law. This is according to CCTV. Now a quick reminder of the top stories.